Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create 3 very simple do-it-yourself Christmas decor. So if you want to see how I put this budget-friendly DIYs together, then please keep watching. But before we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also you'll click that bell icon so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. As always, I'll be starting off by showing you the items that I use for these 3 projects. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll be using several packs of the Dollar Tree Christmas ornaments in the color red and silver, and also there'll be the variety sizes from the small to the larger size. Some LED lights in the clear packaging, some wire LED lights, also referred as fairy lights. 2 packs of these string lights that have these silver bulbs on them. I purchased these at Dollar Tree when they had their Halloween decor, but I will let you know what you can use instead of these for this project. My glue gun, a 14-inch metal wreath ring, and an already made candle vase that I DIY'd a while back, but I will show you an alternative for that stand. Both items were purchased at Dollar Tree when I put this together. Some snowflake decorative stickers, and your choice of lantern. I'll be using this one. I'll go ahead and link some down below that are similar to this one if you're interested. For the first DIY, all I'm going to do is just fill my lantern with these red Christmas ornaments, and then add the fairy lights, and there you have a Christmas decor. You can add the fairy lights first and then the Christmas ornaments. It's really up to you. And this is how the lantern looks when it's lighted up. The battery box will be outside the lantern. For the second DIY, I'm going to be using this candle holder that I DIY'd a while back. The vase and the stand are from Dollar Tree. If you want to create this similar vase, you can purchase this clear candle holder from the Dollar Tree and also the clear long vase, and then just super glue them together just like this. You can either spray paint the candle holder or leave it as is clear. It really doesn't matter. It's to your liking. I'll be using these LED lights, but the first thing that I'm going to do is remove these silver balls from these string lights and then add them to those other LED lights. So all I did is just pull the ball out, and then it has this little holder. And then I just insert it into the other LED lights as I'm showing you right there. You can create these same glitter plastic balls by using these Dollar Tree ping pongs. All you would need to do is just make a small round hole and then add the glitter to the ping pong and then insert the ball into the LED lights, just like I'm inserting them there. Okay, so now all I do is just add my string of lights into my vase, just like so. Next, I added these sticker snowflakes to the front of the vase. And this is how the vase turned out. And for the last DIY, I'm going to create a Christmas ornament wreath. I'm going to start by hot gluing the Christmas ornaments all around the outer ring of the wreath, and then I'll move on to the center part and continue adding some more Christmas ornaments. I'll be adding some hot glue directly onto the wire, and then some I will add onto the ornament themselves. It just depends how I position the ornament. The color scheme that I chose is the red and silver, and I'm just going to position them by first starting with the red Christmas ornament and then adding 2 of the silver and then changing it over again to the red, and then just continue to alternate the colors. I'll be starting off with the large and medium ornaments, and then once I lay a good base, I'll move on to the smallest ornaments and then just fill in the gaps where need be. If you decide to do this project, you don't have to follow my pattern. You can create your own using different colors, but it is important for you to first lay the larger Christmas ornaments down first before you start adding the smaller ones. And the reason for using the larger ornaments is just so they can cover up the wire. One thing I failed to mention is when you start adding your ornaments onto the wire, hot glue the top part of the ornament facing down onto the wire. And so that way the bottom of the ornament will be facing up. To create this wreath, I used 1 pack of 16 small ornaments, 2 packs of the 7 large pieces, and 3 packs of 12 in the medium. And this is how my wreath turned out. Well, beauties, that is it for this 3 DIY Christmas home decor. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So until then, bye-bye and God bless.